Feeling lost trying to navigate Bloombot on your Mac? Don't worry, I've got you covered with this quick and easy guide. First, head over to the Bloombot website. Make sure you're using a compatible browser like Chrome or Safari. The website address will be linked in the description below. Once you're on the site, find the download section for Mac. Click on the download button to get the installer file. The file name may vary based on the latest version. After the download completes, locate the downloaded.dmg file in your downloads folder. Double-click it to start the installation process. A new window will pop up showing the Bloombot application icon. Simply drag the icon into the Applications folder shortcut that's also in the window. Now, open your Applications folder. You should see the Bloombot icon there. Double-click it to launch the application. The first time you open Bloombot, your Mac might display a security warning. Click Open to proceed. If you don't see the Open button, you need to go to System Settings and allow the app. Congratulations, Bloombot is now running on your Mac. Follow the in-app instructions to connect it to your desired platforms and start automating. Explore the different features and settings within Bloombot to customize it to your specific needs. Experiment and see what works best for you. And that's it, you're now equipped to use Bloombot on your Mac. Have fun automating and streamlining your workflow.